You searched how to buy shares of Fevara PLC, and this quick guide shows the basic steps using an example broker. Fevara PLC is listed on LSE PLC as FVA.L, and this video is for education only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FVA.L to find the listing. Make sure you select Fevara PLC on the LSE to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company's basic profile and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the page displays Fevara PLC and the ticker FVA.L before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review order details such as order type and fees, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it can confirm. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For reference, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.